Hey guys, there seems to be quite a bit of problem with Prezi, and so I wanted to show you the way to get an account and to log on to see if maybe you have better luck. So first, I want you to try to go to, when you go to the Get Started tab to sign up for Prezi, you can select Sign Up with Google. And then once you do that, now I already have an account, so it's going to automatically open up, but sign in with your Fort Hays State University Gmail account. So that's your @mail.fhsu.edu account. Once you do that, you should be able to get started. So if I can go back to the home screen, I don't think it's going to let me since I'm already on, but once you go to log in and then log in with Google. After you do that, you should be able to create. After you have created your Prezi, once you get to your projects, to be able to share your Prezi, you should be able to go to whichever Prezis you've created and hit the three dots and get a view share link. So this should be, I'm going to go back to all links. I'm actually going to do that again. And we'll try it again and do view share link and create new link. Let's just try discussion board and then create link. Okay, that should give you a link to copy, and then you can post that on the discussion board. If you are in your Prezi, let's just open up our Prezi. Actually, sorry, I have to go back. If you are in your Prezi already, I'm going to go to edit just to, so say I'm in my Prezi and you finish it. Before you finish, there should be there's a share link at the top. So if you have already, if you're still in your Prezi and not back to the home screen, if you go to share, then you can get a link from here. Okay, so again, you'll have to do just what we did before in order to get a link. Okay, so hopefully that helps and you have better luck this time. Thanks.